Welcome back in my class. Good morning and Jai Hind, dear my children. How are you? I know. What are you doing? Definitely. So here we will study. We will discuss. When he was teaching once again the last lesson, after the grammar we had a lesson to in writing that day Mr. Hamel had new copies for us written in beautiful round hand France Alsaga. They looked like little flags floating everywhere in the schoolroom, hung from the rod at the top of our desk. You ought to have seen how everyone set to work and how quiet it was. The only sound was the scratching of the pens over the paper. Once some beetles flew in, but nobody paid any attention to them. Not even the littlest ones who worked right on the tracking their fish books as if that was friends too. On the roof, the pigeons cawed very low, and I thought to myself, will they make them sing in German, even the pigeons? So, on that day, when Mr. Hamel was taking his last class, there was a pin drop silence. So everyone was in that room, so attentive, so dedicated, so hardworking during their classwork. What friends thought, कि will they make them sing in German, even the pigeons? कि those who won the battle, will they enforce everyone? Is it possible? It's a child's imagination, it's child's question, what he could think, what he could imagine. एक बच्चे के जहन में, मासूम से जहन में आने वाला ख्याल कि जो जर्मन है, क्या वो पिजन्स को भी जर्मन सिखा देंगे? हमें तो बोलने नहीं देंगे फ्रेंच, तो क्या पिजन्स को भी सिखाएंगे ज़बरदस्ती बोलना? Whenever I looked up from my writing, I saw Mr. Hammer sitting motionless in his chair and gazing first at one thing, then at another, as if he wanted to fix in his mind just how everything looked in the little schoolroom. Fancy, for 40 years he had been there in the same place with his garden outside the window and his class in front of him. Just like that, only the desks and benches had been worn smooth, the walnut trees in the garden were taller, and the open vine. There is a description of the school's surroundings, but he had the courage to hear every lesson to very last after the writing. We had a lesson history, and then the babies chanted their Baba. All at once the church clock struck 12, then the Angelus. At the same moment, the trumpet of Prussians returning from drill sounded under our windows. Mr. Hamel stood up very pale in his chair. I never saw him look so tall. My friend, said he, I, but something choked him. He could not go on. Then he turned to the blackboard, took a piece of chalk, and bearing on with all his might, he wrote as large as he could, Vive la France. Then he stopped and leaned his head against the wall, and without a word, he made a gesture to us with his school is dismissed, you may go. When he was teaching, or he was taking the last class, what was the scenario of the class? All were busy in their work. Mr. Hamel was busy gazing or capturing the memories of everything in the campus, outside the campus, related to school, where he spent 40 years of his life. 40 years he gave to that school, and now he had to leave. So he was capturing each single moment of the school, and during that time it was the 12 o'clock, the church bell rang, and it was the time. Suddenly Mr. Hamel stood. Earlier he was seated and gazed. Now he stood up, and anyhow he wrote on the blackboard, Vive la France. He was unable to write. Why? Because he became so emotional. He was vulnerable. He was too feeble, unable to stand properly because of his emotion. The load of the emotion was very heavy to bear, to carry on his shoulders. So he stood anyhow and wrote only Vive la France. It means the all France सदा अमर रहे. जैसे ही लोग अपने कामों में मगन थे। मिस्टर फ्रांस, बच्चे सब अपना काम कर रहे थे। मिस्टर हैमल जो थे वो सबको निहार रहे थे, गौर से एक चीज़ों को देख रहे थे। ऐसा लग रहा था कि निगाहों से सबको अपने जहन में कैद कर रहे हैं, सबको कैमरे की तरह उनकी तस्वीरें खींच के अपने जहन में संभाल के रख रहे हैं, ऐसा लग रहा था। और उसी वक्त चर्च की बेल बजती है, 12 बजने की अलामत होती है और ट्रम्पेट की आवाज़ आती है। साइन होता है कि जो दुश्मन की या जो दूसरे जर्मन की फ़ौज थी वो पहुंच गई है। जल्दी से ही अपनी जगह से उठते हैं और बोर्ड पे बड़ी मुश्किल से लिखते हैं विवा द फ्रांस, और मुंह से बोल भी नहीं पाते हैं, बड़ी मुश्किल से लोगों से कहते हैं कि क्लासेस ओवर। ये आसान नहीं होता है, बहुत मुश्किल होता है, बहुत मुश्किल होता है ऐसे वक्त से गुजरना जब आपसे कहा जाए कि आप अपनी भाषा नहीं बोल सकते। जिस दिन आपसे ये कहा जाएगा कि आप हिंदी नहीं बोल सकते, उस दिन आप हिंदी के लिए तड़पने लगेंगे। हर इंसान के साथ ये चीज़ होती है, वो अपनी से जुड़ी हुई चीज़ों से बहुत मोहब्बत करता है, अपने देश से बहुत प्यार करता है, हर चीज़ से बहुत प्यार करता है जो उसके अपने आप से जुड़ी होती है। और यही सारी चीज़ें हैं जो लास्ट लेसन में हम पढ़ते हैं और हमें समझ में आती है। इस लेसन के साथ बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं, बहुत डिबेट के क्वेश्चंस हैं जो हम डिस्कस करेंगे अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस चैप्टर. Actually, I explain in your mother tongue too, so that you can get clear this topic. There will be no stone unturned from my side. I want to explain at my best so that you can get each and everything clear. The topic, the chapter is very interesting. The last lesson, and that is the last lesson. Why that is the last lesson? Because German language was imposed on the Frenchmen, so it was the last class of the teacher. They would not attend any French classes. That's why the class was the last class. That was the last lesson of the teacher. After that lecture, he would not able to give any lecture. Only German would be taught in the schools. And the gathering of the people, the gathering of the villager indicates that they were there to pay their tribute to the teacher who spent 40 years of his life to that school. I hope you all understand this chapter very well. You can discuss question with me. If you are having any kind of problem, you can ask me anytime by SMS, by texting message, using WhatsApp, or you can also comment in the inbox. Whatever the means you want to use, you can use, but study well. And your July syllabus is complete now. We have to only discuss or revise all those things. This was the last lesson for the month July 2. I hope you enjoy this last lesson of the July. Thank you very much, dear children. Take care of yourself. Jai Hind.